Everyone, welcome to Profited Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore route static IP using Python for mobile trading. Okay, so as per the SEBI strict static IP rule, uh, we need to utilize this IP address. Okay, we need to say that our machine contains this IP address and that need to be static. The laptop or any kind of a devices have dynamic IP. Okay, if you set this static IP, it will be an internet. You can say that the communication which is happening through the internet is going through dynamic IP. Okay, so keep the static IP means the communications going through internet have a specific address, have a designated address where the communication will be in a flow. Okay, and you can say that I have been utilizing this laptop as a self-hosting, as a server, and I have set this static IP and I'm utilizing for trading purpose. Okay, which I think I've already shown. Now what I'm doing this in my mobile and I'm using this termex, and I utilizing this Linux for routing my static IP. Okay, so it can be contained from your laptop or it can be contained from any of the hosting providers. Okay, so that can be needs to be routed, that can be utilized as a proxy for your order placement, that specifically gives you the static IP which you set in your app. Okay, so first of all I just created the folder as a delta proxy, and I just gonna run. So I have a program which will check the positions. Okay, so I have a position and I need to check that stuff. In this category, what happens if you need to route this stuff? Okay, you required API key, you required API secret and the IP address. Okay, so if I say this, I will get my product ID and the result which I am checking. So as you can see, I have a 3 lot size and entry price was 207. Okay, so here to check what kind of a result I am getting, for that reason I have done this stuff. I have placed the orders. Now I can give this stuff in the Python program and I can run this. So from Python I just you need to go with pkg install Python in this termex, and you can run the Python. Okay, so it is the best and it's of ads free. Now if I say that there are two IPs are there which you can say as a public IP and a private stuff. Okay, public IP in the sense those which required no IP. Okay, so which you can say as a public API, and this private IP is required, means our address is required, that need to be static, and that is route through, that is kind of a private channel which is must. Okay, so you can take up the data, option chain data. Okay, that won't be comes with any of the IP address, but if you are need to get the result of your account, okay, whether it can be wallet, whether it can be your position, okay, related to a trading account. Okay, so for reading purpose, for the data, no worries, but for your account data, your trading data, placing orders, whether it can be market limit, stop loss limit, stop loss market, or any kind of orders which you need to get, you need to provide an IP address that needs to be static. Okay, so I can usually can this do this stuff. So what happens if you just give the dynamic IP? Okay, it get change around in certain times. Okay, so it is definitely not recommended. Okay, so I think I've been misspelled the name, so I will perfectly give, and I will give it once again to check. Okay, so if I give this, I will definitely gonna receive the same results. I gave the trading symbol which was the product ID, and from product ID I got this position. If any positions are not there, at least you will get a square bracket. Okay, so if it's suggested that your IP is connected and you can trade, you can place any order, you can get your wallet balances. Okay, and this I'm not doing from laptop, this I'm doing from my mobile. Okay, now so what happens in this artificial intelligence era, you required code and you can get from the AI text prompts, and you can utilize even the previous video of mine in which I have given an AI which is of Profitada Web Generative AI, and from that you can generate the code and you can generate the image as well. So if I generate the code and place the order, or you can get it the code from even the Delta API Copilot, so you can check that as well. So if you ask for the particular code, it will get you and you can utilize this stuff for order placement. Okay, so as of right now I just show what are things contained in my code. Okay, so basically I've just tested so many other things, so I've been created just to get you the results. Okay, even I am placing my orders in previously. So these are the steps I've done to get you and show you what things I'm doing. So as you can see, some of the screens won't be visible, but that is okay. So now what happens, API key, API secret is there. Okay, and even the program is there, as few of check programs are there where I can check my static IP, and that's need to be in your Delta API key whitelisted should be placed. Okay, so these are the things are there. So my IP, API, all of stuff contained here. And if I check the program which I am running, so that will be check to.py. Okay, so if I check this program, the program which I am running, so as you can see it's in this particular nano, and from this I can edit and can do any stuff in my mobile itself. So I get the code from the AI and I just come here, just paste it, and if I run, it will be perfect. Okay, especially getting the code from the Delta API, that will be best. Okay, so do check, and I will definitely gonna do it more videos. So as of right now I will paste this code in my website, you can check. So all I've done, this is just a simple code. Even you can route to check some symbol related, or you can say whatever the positions are there, just get the product ID and give me the results. So that is also possible. Okay, so just right now, just to show, this positions is running in my Delta position book. Okay, and it is I've just given and I've fetched. So I've utilized this import request. So import request, what happens, you don't need to install any kind of a third-party application. Plus this request can be utilized for any order placement, and this static IP can be utilized for any broker. Okay, so try this stuff, and you can check out this stuff. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, you can comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, or if you want to set this setup, you can contact me direct via WhatsApp, and even you can try this code on your end and let me know the results what you got. Okay, thank you.